Okay. We're going to talk about the tote bags and just basic instructions. You're going to get 2 big pieces of fabric that are 40 inches by 44 by 20, and 2 pieces, the straps that are 22 by 4. This is for one bag, but you can make combinations with it. In this case, I have the same fabric, but here is another one I made, and this I made combinations. And also, I added a pocket. If you're gonna add a pocket, you can use any fabric you want and any size of a pocket. You know, you can make it very small, you can make it big like this one. I did made it double. It's like making a pillow. Mm-hmm. And you're gonna attach it before sewing anything on here. Then you will attach it in here first, and then you follow the instructions. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, to start the pillow, you're gonna put your right side, the knife side out, because we're gonna do the French seam. Okay. Which is a really good thing to have.
Okay, so this is different. Usually we put the right sides together. This is the right sides. It's hard to tell here, but you can see one side is duller.
Yeah.
One side is
in
brighter.
this case, it's not very distinctive. In other fabrics, it's very different. Yeah. Then we're gonna put them together. I'm gonna pin the corners first, and in this case, you're gonna have to do just 2 seams, 1 in each side, because the bottom is
the bottom is already together. So that's a one big piece of fabric. We don't have to sew at the bottom. Good.
And then we're gonna do the same thing up here, just the corners. As you can see that I'm not putting my pins very close to the edge because I don't have to remove them if I don't want, because I don't wanna sew on top of pins. Okay. I'm gonna put a couple of them in here, and a couple of here. And as a traditional SewGreen, we're gonna put the green on top. We're gonna start in here. We're gonna finish here, it's obvious. And it's the same thing here, okay? We don't have to leave any holes in this case. Yeah. This is gonna be our hole.
And we're not gonna sew it anyway, so yeah.
Then let's, we can do that. And also, I'm going to explain this to you because probably we can keep going in the sewing machine. These are going to be your straps. Let me move this and you can see it better. What we are going to do is we're going to fold them in 2. If you have an iron at hand, that's the easiest way to do it, is iron this, and then you're going to open, and you're gonna fold it in half to the center. I'm just doing this with my hands right now. Mm-hmm. You can mark it with your fingers like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna fold it in half. You can just mark it with your fingers. And then you're gonna fold it in half, okay? And this is gonna be your strap. And then I'm going to put just a pin in here.
And that makes it 4 layers thick.
Exactly.
So it's a nice sturdy strap.
Exactly. Yeah. And this is different from the instructions in the instructions that come with the bags. And my reason, what they say is that you have to fold this first. Mm-hmm. And it recommends that you fold it twice and then sew it. Mm-hmm. You could do that if you have a very thin fabric. Mm-hmm. If it's very thick fabric, if you do this and then you fold it here and here and then here, you're gonna get this thing that is gonna be so thick that your sewing machine is not gonna be able to go through. Okay. Then I'm gonna show you an easier way that is different than this, and this is the way. We're gonna do it this way, and then I show you how we hide those other parts. Then I'm gonna do this again, fold it in half, open, then to the center, I fold the first side, then the second side go together here, like that, and then to the center, and then some pins. 1, 2, and a 3. Okay, and that's it. Then we'll go to the sewing machine.
Okay.